Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may have heard, over recent days the UK has been absolutely battered by extreme weather. We're in the middle of Storm Franklin and we've also had Storm Eunice. The whole country's been battered by gale force winds that have been gusting at over 100 miles an hour. Trees have been blown down, cars have been blown over, roofs and chimneys have been blown off. We've seen flash flooding in various areas. And generally, the country has struggled to cope with the extremity of the storms. Last Friday, when Storm Eunice was at its worst, basically the whole country ground to a halt. Trains more or less stopped running, cars were advised not to leave wherever they were, buses stopped running between different cities. It was very, very difficult to move about. If you say that the whole country or the whole city ground to a halt, you mean that everything stopped, that things no longer worked well. If there's a terrible accident on a motorway, traffic might grind to a halt. Under appalling economic conditions, the country's economy might slowly grind to a halt. If there's a problem with a large machine, the machine might ground to a halt. And if you work in an office, usually by 2 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, on a lovely summer day when the sun's out, work more or less grinds to a halt as people start looking at their watches and thinking about maybe sneaking off to have a pint before going home. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up signal. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section, we'd like to see examples of things that you know have ground to a halt.